Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to create a pattern unit using Revit family. Open Revit, go to Families, go to New, select English, go to Metric Furniture System, then press Open. Change the unit, press UN, go to Length, make it meter, and the rounding to decimal. Then press OK, then OK. After that, go to your front, then open Autocad, open your pattern Autocad, go to Revit. There is two options that you can do. Go to Insert, the first option, Import CAD, then select your Autocad file. The import unit is meter, and the position manual center, then press Open. And go to Create and select line. The easiest way is to go to Create, Extrusion, pick line, go to Insert, Import CAD, select your Autocad file, import unit is meter, and the manual center, then press Open. And will automatically select your lines. Then press Finish. And the extrusion start from 0 and the end, let's make it 0.05. And also you can change the material. Go to 3D, and here it is. The solid and the void. But before you select your lines, you need to overkill all your lines in Autocad. Select your Autocad lines, then go to overkill, then press space, then press OK. Then insert it in your Revit family.